And let's turn to our good friend, the Wheel of Fate. The Wheel of Fate is going to determine what is in store for these runners. This is going to be a good match. If that practice round was any indication, we got some pretty speedy modelers here.
Yeah, seriously, these guys are in a league of their own.
Yeah,
see why they're in the finals here.
Well, we see in the chat, we got Tanoff thinks it's going to be 29, FPV Kev 27, Jim Yu thinks it's going to be 27, Mr. Mesa Makes thinks it's going to be 25, Gray thinks it's going to be 29, Serial Sal 25. Here we go. Shuffle, 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 and spin. Let's see what this thing has in mind for us. Uncle Facepound in the chat. What's up, my friend? Welcome, welcome. Thinks it's going to be 29. I'm telling you guys, you got to bet on Jim Yu Kerberos. He knows. He always knows. And so Jim Yu Kerberos comes in with answer number 27, and it is correct. FPV Kev comes in with 27 as well, and it is correct. That is what is up. So 27 it is. So we're going to remove that from the wheel. We're going to give this thing a go here. We're going to see how these guys do with this challenge. Producer Mike, are we ready to go? Drawing number 27. Man, this is going to be a good one. All right, here we go. Jonathan, are you ready for this?
I'm ready. I can't wait.
All right. Well, this next CAD vs. CAD battle featuring NEIL ZHU, our #1 seed from the United States, going up against Tristan Lusson, our #7 seed from France. This CAD vs. CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! And the question here is, what is the mass of this part in XXX grams? And we got a sheet metal part. Let's go, let's go. And so both of our runners are grabbing a screen capture. Both of our runners have jumped into their CAD system. They're so fast at grabbing that screen capture. It's so impressive. And we're going to take a look at this CAD vs. CAD battle. We've got NEIL ZHU on the left, rocking dark mode. We've got Tristan Lusson on the right, rocking light mode in Fusion. And we can see here that on the left, we've got NEIL ZHU starting out with kind of a line coming off to, or coming straight up, then a line coming off to the side, then a line coming straight up. And we've got Tristan Lusson on the right. Let's see what he's going to end up doing here. Starting out with a rectangle. Nice.
It looks like Tristan's going to, I'm just guessing here, but it looks like he might be doing sheet metal this time. That was my biggest question here.
Yes, that's what I wanted to
see. Is he going to flex by modeling it, just manually and doing it that way, or is he going to go with sheet metal? And it looks like, yep. What if he didn't even know about the sheet metal environment until we mentioned it last time?
Well, it is one of the qualifiers. It is in one of the qualifier models. Yep. So we try to make sure that they know. Sheet metal is such an important part of 3D CAD and mechanical engineering. You have to know it. It's just you just have to know it.
Yep.
Sorry. So NEIL ZHU on the left here, going through and modeling this thing up really quickly, drawing first blood there. Tristan Lusson hot on his heels, but NEIL ZHU really clearly has a lot of experience with sheet metal, seems to be very comfortable in this environment. And of course, in Fusion, you not only have to create that first extrusion, but you also have to make sure that you have defined the rules correctly for the sheet metal.
That's right.
Really impressive to see here, NEIL ZHU getting through this model. And wow, what a beast. Serial Sal in the chat says he is a beast. Ricardo Jean, our world champion of 3D CAD speed modeling, says he is very fast. NEIL is very fast. Wow, indeed. Tristan Lusson, though, not to be underestimated, already has all 3 of the flanges coming off of this thing.
Yep. Yeah, and then there's where the speed comes in again, right? Instead of changing his rules for how those flanges come out, he's just going in and deleting the features that aren't there in the drawing. Smart move.
Yes.
Or is it?
I guess we'll find out. Time will tell. So NEIL ZHU getting in here now and constructing that kind of side panel. Really interesting part, really cool part here. Matab in the chat says, I like how NEIL is calculating using control hold. No measure tool needed. Yeah, that's a really, really valuable trick to use to hold control and pick 2 faces and then look down at that status area and kind of confirm. Because, sometimes when you're doing a flange length, it's hard to tell if it's going to be to the inside or the outside of the material. And that's truly a pro move.
And it looks like Tristan's working with the, he's going to mirror this part, right? Going halfway and then mirroring. Did he do that last time? I forget.
I believe he did. That does seem to be his MO.
Yeah.
And NEIL ZHU here taking advantage of something you and I talked about earlier in the previous match about how Fusion, you don't even have to, it's like you don't even have to complete the closed sketch. You can just take advantage of the material. If you look at NEIL ZHU's screen, he's going to lop off that kind of outer tombstone shape just by drawing a circle. That's a pretty clever move there.
Mm-hmm.
Sleepwalker
for the same thing. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was going to say Sleepwalker in the chat says it makes me want to boot up and compete along with them. That is awesome. I'm glad that it gives you that feeling. All right, here we see NEIL ZHU cutting the hole and the tombstone shape in one sketch of 2 circles. Nice. Wow. Very, very impressive. A little mid-plane there.
Mm-hmm.
And Tristan Lusson on the right getting ready to mirror too. Wow. These guys are close. Okay, we're keeping an eye on the chat. Hassan in the chat says, I got it. I think NEIL ZHU is pretty close to having it too.
NEIL ZHU checking his work.
Some final checking there. Wow. Okay. Bringing up that macro. Both of them bringing up who's going to type it in first? We're watching the chat. We're watching the chat. Okay, and T-Lus comes in with an answer, 785 grams. And NEIL ZHU comes in with an answer, 785 grams. Jonathan, the correct answer is 785 grams.
That was 1 second.
Earns the first point, and wow.
By a nose.
Wow.
Man.
Oh my goodness gracious, this is a good match. Yes! Holy smokes. Sheet metal. Once again, 3 sheet metal matches in a row. Tristan Lusson does not shy away. 3 for 3 on the sheet metal matches. Incredibly close. What a great race. Man. Wow.
Unreal.
And goodness gracious, guys, put a GG in the chat for Tristan, for T-Lus. Man, what a match. Another sub 5-minute match.
Yeah, I think NEIL might have second guessed himself there for a minute. I think he had the answer well before he put it up.
I think there was maybe some final double checking there, triple checking. That's